Hello YouTube. Today we're going to learn how to merge two AVI video files. Now this process can come in handy whenever you have a part 1 and a part 2 of an AVI video file which has been separated but you want to be one. Now they're going to need to have the same video bitrate and the same audio bitrate to sync up, but if they do, you can go ahead and use this program and it's free. So the first step in going ahead and merging them is to make an empty folder and put it on your desktop. I went ahead and named it VirtualDub just so I knew which one it was and where to extract the files later. I went ahead and pulled a video off YouTube, and that'll be our AVI test video. I only downloaded one copy because I'm going to append it to itself just to make things easy, but for the most part I hope you have two videos that you're trying to connect. First step is to open up your internet browser and go to virtualdub.org. Once you're on the home page, go to the download section, VirtualDub at SourceForge, and on this page you'll see the different release builds. Depending on what type of processor you have, you might need to check out and see which release build you think is best for you. For me, I'm going to go ahead and choose the experimental version. It seems to be pretty stable and I haven't had any problems with it. So I'm going to go ahead and left click on it. It is a zip file, so you're going to need a WinRAR or a WinZip program to open it. I have WinRAR, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up in that. It'll download and open it up in the program that you chose. Here's all the files that are in the zip file. I'm going to go ahead and extract these files to the VirtualDub folder that I placed on my desktop. I'm going to go ahead and close out of the zip program and my web browser. I'm going to go ahead and open up the VirtualDub folder, which I just extracted all the files to. As you can see, there are 3 shortcuts to VirtualDub. The only one you're going to have to worry about is this one, the VirtualDub shortcut. To make things easier on yourself, you can right click on it, send to desktop, and make a copy of the shortcut. I'm going to go ahead and name it VirtualDub for simplicity's sake. And what I'm going to do is left click on it once, drag it down to the start menu, hold it over all programs, and pull it into the start menu to make things easier on myself and have less clutter on my desktop. To open the program, all you got to do is go back to the shortcut that you created and click on it. Now this opens up VirtualDub. It's a relatively simplistic interface. It's pretty easy to get around once you know what you're doing. To go ahead and start, what you're going to need to do is go to the video pull down menu and go to direct stream copy, left click on that, then go to file, open video file, and depending on where your file is, you need to find it. Mine just happens to be on the desktop, so I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Now it's giving me a warning because I have a variable bitrate audio. Depending on your AVI file, you may or may not have to worry about that. It's something that seems to be working fine for me even when it gives me this warning, so it's not something I'm going to worry about right now. I'm going to go ahead and append AVI segment. In this case, you would grab the part 2 video that you have. Since I'm appending a video onto itself, I'm just going to go ahead and grab the same video since I know they match up. The next step is the final step. Go ahead and do save as AVI and put it wherever you want to, name it whatever you want to. I'm going to name it video changed. It's going to save it as an AVI, so go ahead and do save. Now you can watch it, the input and the output video, as it does it. This was a relatively short one, so I didn't watch it, but it's pretty nice. Go ahead and close the program, go to the video that you created, make sure it works by maybe going to the middle and seeing where it crosses over. Once you realize that it worked, you should be good to go. If you have any questions, leave some comments and I'll try to get back to them as best as I can. If you have any requests for videos, go ahead and shoot me those and I'll try to see what I can do. Thank you very much.